Good day, esteemed viewers, investors, partners, and everyone who cares about the Sovelmash project. There is more and more equipment at the enterprise, and this is not without reason. We are preparing to start commercial activities. For example, such as here, you can see a one-of-a-kind machine. This is a vulcanization machine specifically designed for working with rubber. This will help us in creating finished products, and naturally, it didn't just end up here by chance, it took certain efforts. We awaited the delivery, it finally arrived, the container was unloaded, and this machine traveled by sea. It was carefully brought in through specially prepared gates. And now, in this very room, where the foundry was previously located, a specifically dedicated section for working with rubber will be organized. Well, as you know, the foundry has already relocated to another workshop to a different location because the size of the equipment has significantly increased. And here, as you can see, you can already see the gear cutting machine. It's a very serious CNC machine indeed. This is also quite a serious machine. You can observe quite a significantly large table in this area, a place for tool installation and various other purposes. And this equipment will also allow us to manufacture finished products. And as expected and quite naturally, thanks to this, in our state-of-the-art and highly efficient facilities, we can manufacture everything related to gears and their components, and efficiently. This already opens up completely different and incredible horizons. Also, let's just step out here a little bit and take a more detailed look at this fascinating workshop at this moment. This is exactly where our foundry setup has moved. Precisely right here, we currently have the molds located in this area, and as you can see, right here is the foundry itself. That is, all of this is already large caliber equipment. Here, a workshop for serial production is being formed. Our gear cutting machine will be sent to the metal processing workshop, where the milling machines, CNC lathes, laser installations, tube cutters, and tube benders are located. However, we will discuss this in more detail in our other videos. And now the main task of the video is to show you that we are absolutely not standing still, and almost every week we definitely receive one piece of equipment or another. And indeed, despite the fact that the spaces are already rather seriously occupied, we need to place a large amount of equipment on them. And the spaces that we have located on the third floor of the building are also being filled. And in order for all of this to work at the right pace and be ready at the necessary time to ensure everything is functioning smoothly and adequately prepared. In fact, again, for the start of commercial activities, we need to properly and thoroughly prepare all of this now. This preparation involves several critical steps, starting from the careful selection of the most suitable equipment to the strategic choice of efficient and reliable logistics chains. Each step is crucial to ensure the smooth operation and success of our commercial endeavors. In addition to the process of commissioning, which involves setting up and preparing the system for operation, there is also the important task of staffing. This means hiring and training the right. Therefore, the process is complex, and nevertheless, we are moving towards our goal. Also, in the last expert segment of our broadcast, Dmitry Alexandrovich Duyunov reminded us that we are already approaching the stage of starting the production of angle grinders, thanks in part to this equipment. In the upcoming months, as part of our ongoing efforts to enhance our production capabilities, we are making significant progress. And naturally, we ask all those interested and valued who would like to purchase an angle grinder for personal use or even become our dealer to please update the information you have previously and kindly provide it if you wish. If you haven't done so yet, you can simply take advantage of this opportunity now. All the necessary links for this will be in the description under this video, and in general, we will now be duplicating them on our social networks. Therefore, thank you for your support, thank you for your attention. Today was rather brief, I tried to be concise. In the next videos, we will talk a bit about the production chains that are now beginning to form. See you next time.